Hello, welcome to my channel Lifestyle with Sharon, and today I'm going to be making homemade chocolate chip cookies. Now here is the lovely cookies. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media. If you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel, it's free of charge. I'd love to hear your comments on how you get on with making your cookies. I'm just going to weigh out 75 grams of butter and we'll place that into our mixing bowl. I'm going to weigh out 60 grams of caster sugar. Add that to your butter. And we're going to weigh out 100 grams of brown sugar. Add this to your mixing bowl. Right, make sure your butter is room temperature and you mix the sugar and the butter together. You can use one of these or you can even do it by hand. If you wanted to mix this by hand with a wooden spoon, just squash it down with the back of the wooden spoon. And then just give it a good mix. Right, so what I did, it is getting nice and creamy, but what I've done is just melted another 10 grams of butter, and then it just gives you that ability to be able to give it a really good creamy mix. So at this stage I usually get the wooden spoon and just give it a real good creaming. And to this we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Then we're just going to add 1 egg into this mixture. Just mix it around with your wooden spoon. You can use a machine for this, but it's just as easy to do it with a wooden spoon. And you want to weigh out 120 grams of flour. So add this into your mixture. Now you can do this with a wooden spoon, or if you've got one of these spatulas, use one of those and fold in the flour. So you're basically kind of folding it into the mixture. Then you want 100 grams of white chocolate chips and 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. You can use milk chocolate chips if you like. You add your chocolate chips, whatever ones you decide to put in, into your mixture, and just give that a mix around. Right, and then just with your wooden spoon, just give it a mix around. You want to make sure that all the chocolate chips are kind of not all in one place, so give it a good mix. So each cookie will have a good bit of chocolate chip. Now you want to put some baking parchment at the bottom of your tin. You want to get a heaped tablespoon of the mixture, and you can either just place it on the tray like that, or you could form it into a round ball roughly and place it on there. Make sure there's plenty of space in between for it to spread. And what you want to do is then put this in the fridge for at least an hour before you put it in the oven. Right, when you take them out of the oven, make sure you let them cool for a good 5 or 10 minutes, because if you try and move them and they're not set, they'll just be all squidgy. So do let them set. Now here is the lovely cookies. With these particular ones, I added 30 grams of coconut to give it that nice coconut flavour. You can leave it plain if you wanted to. And there is the inside of the cookies. And it's really nice with the dark chocolate chips and the white chocolate chips. Gives it a lovely flavour. Thank you for watching Lifestyle with Sharon and how to make chocolate chip cookies.